Hey guys, Yvette here. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. I'm excited to have you guys here. So today I want to talk to you guys about how to get insurance leads from Facebook, specifically through social media marketing and organic marketing. So the way it works is you don't have to buy leads anymore. You don't have to run paid ads. There is a better way to do things, and that is through social media marketing. Now, if you're an insurance agent and you are trying to use social media to get leads, at first it can be kind of challenging. And I know that myself firsthand because I've tried to do it the same way. It can be a little bit difficult. But if you know how to brand yourself and how to build your entire ecosystem, then it's really, really simple. The first steps you need to remember is you need to be able to find your dream customer. So I don't know if I've done it. I think I did do a video on this a while back, but I'll mention it again. You definitely want to be able to go and find groups that are going to have your dream customer. So if you're an insurance agent and you are selling final expense leads, for example, then you need to find people that would be your target market. So for example, if you target, say, people that are in a very dangerous job, maybe that, could possibly lose their life, so they get injured, and you join groups like that, then the people in that group are going to be your perfect dream customer. As you start adding people and building relationships in that group, you can then bring them over to your profile, and then that's the next step, which I have mentioned in my other videos, which I will also bring up at a later date. So what I want to mention is that once you've been able to do that, then it's actually very simple. As you start adding more and more friends, you want to make sure that your Facebook profile is optimized. And I have gone into that in another video, but I will show you guys how exactly it works. And the best way to do things is that you need to make it so that the easiest way to explain it is make your Facebook profile into like your personal billboard. So when you're driving around and you see all those billboards, it's kind of an outdated approach because no one really pays attention to those billboards. When you're driving around, I see an ad for a billboard for air conditioning, for example. I don't need an air conditioner, so to me, I'm not interested. But if I was doing this on Facebook and you have your billboard and you're an insurance agent and you're basically trying to get final expense customers as you've added them, and you basically told people that is what you sell, you provide them with something of value, then they'll know. And then as you provide more value, are engaging with those people, and you're knowing and getting them to know, like, and trust you, that's key. And then you'll start to see results. So the best way to do it is first join those groups, figure out who your dream customer is. And what I have is I'm gonna, in the links below, I'm gonna actually include my finding your perfect dream customer spreadsheet. So you can check it out and follow the steps to figure out who your dream customer is. Because the first and most important thing is figuring out who it is that you want to sell insurance to or sell whatever services you're providing. Once you've done that, everything else kind of falls into place. So first and foremost, figure that out. So, click on the link below, download that, and start to learn that. Next, you need to follow my 5 proven tips on social media. So this is kind of an overview. It's going to explain to you how to get leads by using organic marketing and social media marketing. It is the best way right now. Facebook has over 6.5 billion active users, or I don't know, the number's gone up since last year. Pretty much everyone's working from home. So this is really like you want to have your own personal billboard. So make that Facebook profile be a billboard and make it so it's perfect so that when people come to your page, they know what you sell, who you are, and what you can offer. Next, you want to be able to provide them with value. So you don't have to, if you're just posting things about, your family or, the last political thing that, bothered you or whatever, that's not going to get you any business. If you want to use your social media profile for business, then the best way to do that is to market yourself in that way. And that's one of the things that we actually help you with. If you want a complete, fully customizable system, then click on the links below. I also have a call that you can book a strategy call directly with me. We'll figure out if you're a good fit for this program. And what we do is we actually kind of walk you through the whole process, show you how to create a Facebook profile funnel or create it for you. We do all of that for you. So you really kind of just need to be active somewhat every day on social media. I recommend at least 30 minutes a day, or 30 minutes to an hour if you have the time. I know everyone's busy, so you don't have it. And a lot of times you could just be scrolling through your feed and you could be finding people that way too. But again, so first and foremost, fix the Facebook profile first. Then add people, follow people and add people in the groups that you have joined with your dream customer. Then provide value and show them who you are, how they can get to know you, how they can get to like you, and how they can get to trust you. As you start to do those things, you will slowly start to see unlimited leads coming into your profile, and without you even having to try. In the beginning, it takes a little bit of work and a little bit of effort because you're new at it. You don't have the friends list that would have your dream customer yet. You're still building your brand. But as you become an authority and become a brand, you will start to see the results. So again, this video is just to tell you that you can do this. This is an organic marketing approach. You don't need to buy leads. Insurance agents seem to think that buying leads is the best way, and it's really not, because here's the thing. When you buy leads, you're getting over, maybe you might get 500 leads, or even more than that, or less than that, whatever. But out of those leads, how many of those people are qualified insurance leads? Because think about it, insurance leads or whatever types of leads you're buying. Because those people probably filled out something online. They don't know who you are. They don't have any reason to work with you. Now, if you're on social media and you're basically building yourself and giving value to these people, they're getting to know you already. They're getting to like you and they're getting to trust you. So when you provide them something like, hey, I can help you with life insurance policy or final expense policy, or whatever services that you're providing, they're going to listen to you because they've already got to know you and they know who you are and they want to work with you. For myself, I only would work with somebody that I know, like, and trust. It doesn't matter. Everyone has great deals. Not everyone needs to work with, they work with who they want to work with. So insurance is like that. So if you have a specific type of insurance you're selling, it really doesn't matter. What matters is that people like you and they get to know you and they trust you. So then whatever you sell, whatever type of policy, whatever that may be, they'll work with you. So once again, remember, fix that Facebook profile, get those dream customers, start adding and following people, and start getting leads. So that's my video for today. If you liked what you heard, please make sure to like and subscribe. Click the button below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. And you can get this to happen. This can work for you if you keep at it. And I think a lot of people think that organic marketing will work, and then they start and they're like, it's not working for me. I'm not getting any leads. Here's the thing. You can get leads as long as you have all of the pieces together. You have to just keep building it, keep growing it, and you'll see success. And I want you to be successful. So if you're at all confused, you have any questions, click on the links below, download the free PDFs, and book a call directly with me and find out how we can help.